All right, number 5. What is the equation of the line that passes through the points and it gives me my 2 points? Okay, anytime you have to write the equation of a line, slope between 2 points, or the distance between 2 points, we're going to use our ACT program. All right, so I'm going to hit program, hit enter, enter. Do you remember which one we're going to choose? Just by looking at our menu? Because it's not going to say equation of a line. Okay, anytime you're dealing with 2 points, you want the very first one, distance or Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so I'm going to choose number 1. All right, and I'm going to choose number 1 again. Even though I want the equation of a line, that's what it's going to be under. Okay, now here's what it's asking. It's telling me I should have 2 points. Now it's asking me to put my 2 points in. Put your first x in. So my first x is -2. Then enter. Now it's asking me for my first y. 5. Enter. Now it's asking me for my second x, 8. And my second y, 10. Oops. Enter. Okay, now it's going to give me lots of information that I might need. It shows me the distance between those 2 points, the exact form and the decimal form. It tells me the slope between those 2 points. Then it tells me, okay, equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. Then it tells me what to plug in for my m, what to plug in for my b. So out of my choices, which one would it be? 1/2, m is 1/2, my b is 6. It's D, 1/2 x plus 6. So it'll tell you what it's going to look like, and it tells you what numbers to put in its place. Okay, now to get to your main menu, I hit enter. All right, let's go to the next problem. Any questions so far? Okay, what is the slope of the line containing the points? So I want you guys to try it. Okay, we're going to use our ACT program again. If I want slope, anytime I'm dealing with 2 points, we're always going to use option number 1. Hit 1 again, and then start entering in your points. Okay, now slope between 2 points is one of those things that's pretty easy. You could probably do it without your calculator. But if you can plug it in really quick, all right, you don't have to remember, is it y's over my x's? Do I subtract? Do I add? What do I do? Okay? Questions? All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, a map is laid out in the standard coordinate plane. How long in units is an airplane's path on the map as the airplane flies along a straight line from city A, and it gives you the point, to city B, and it gives you the point. So what am I actually looking for? I'm looking for the distance between those 2 points. So it's the exact same thing. Enter to get back to my main menu. 1, and then 1 again. Okay, it doesn't matter which point you use first, so it's not going to matter. I'm going to use this one first because that's the one I can see. Then what was your other point? One point was 510, and then it was 2014. So the distance, square root of 241.